Are you looking to take your digital product to the next level by the user-friendly and stunning designs? If yes, then look no further. As a UI UX consultant with over 8 years of experience, I know how important the design is for your products, and that's why me and my team offer a different range of design services to bring your ideas into the life. Whether you need help with a flowchart, you need help with the wireframes, mockups, you need help with the clickable prototypes, or you need design consultancy, or you need an audit service, UX audit service for your website or your apps, we are here to help you with that. We have expertise with almost all the tools being used in the industry. We talk about Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, Proto, or any other tool that's being used in the market. We are confident that we can use it. Our design process is grounded in design thinking, such as we understand what your idea is or your problem is. We try to understand the target audience. We try to figure out all the pain points, and then we work on coming up with the designs mockups, and then we obviously refine on the basis of the revisions that we do, and then we deliver the final product. Oh, and yes, we offer 24/7 support services that no one else can match. So get in touch with